Hello, it's Tuesday, July the 20th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar traded mixed against the majors with no significant change and investors seemingly unclear about which way the market is going. US stock markets did recover a little following yesterday's losses, with Nasdaq and Dow Jones appreciating 0.88% and 0.56% respectively. Crude rose by 0.7% to close at $76.50 a barrel, but gold tumbled for yet another day to close at $1,183 an ounce. Today, building permits are expected unchanged at 0.57 million, and housing starts are expected at 0.57 million versus 0.59 million prior. The euro was little advanced against the dollar, with another attempt to reach the 1.3 zone, only to fall back once again to 1.29 zones. The momentum seems to remain positive for the pair, holding above the major support level at 127.70. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 128.69 and a high of 129.90. Today, German PPI is expected at 0.2% versus 0.3% prior. The pound fell versus the dollar for the second day. The momentum here seems to remain positive for the pair, as holding above the major support level at 151.80. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 152 and a high of 153.49. Today, prelim mortgage approvals is expected at 52,000 versus 50,000 prior, and CBI industrial trends orders is expected at -25 versus -23 prior. With the banks in Japan closed for Marine Day, the dollar advanced slightly versus the yen, which seems capped in a tight range, as usually happens after a strong move. The BOJ might attempt to stop the yen's rally to protect the import-export balance. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 86.42 and a high of 87.21. No economic data is expected today. Finally, Canada's dollar. This gained slightly against US currency for the first time in 4 days on speculation that the BOC might increase interest rates for the second time. Breaching resistance at 105.80 might push the pair higher. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 104.97 and a high of 105.77. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to rise from 0.5% to 0.75%. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.